So what did you think?
I bought them. 4 of them anyway.
You had them in store, huh?
No, yeah, they had them in the store to try out, but they didn't have 4 of them.
Oh,
So they're delivering them and putting them together here on the 22nd. They're nice. They're very sturdy. They have nice wide seats and the back cutting on the back is nice. You know, I didn't know what I was going to get at Bob's Discount Furniture. But they were really nice. I told them I'd really like to have 6, but I thought I'd wait and if they still carry them in another 2 or 3 months or so,